Hey guys, I had to come back. Back in the morning here. We're gonna have rain here for a couple days, and we have very low wind. And I forgot my memory card for my GoPro last night when I came, and my son filmed, so you couldn't hear anything I was saying. I'm gonna still publish that video, but it had a flat spin in it, and I wanted to do that with the GoPro. So I actually changed, my GoPro hasn't been looking right recently, so I changed the aspect ratio to it's called narrow instead of linear. I'm hoping that narrow gets a little bit closer in, and plus we don't have any bright sky, so you're gonna be able to see this a little bit better. So I'm gonna get this up. I'm gonna just do some good flying with the 50mm. It's still holding up great, no issues with it, just a little dirty on the bottom. And let's get up a good flight. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to fly this thing around and just get it, fly it like it should be. Slow it down a little bit. Guys, this is a 50mm. 50mm, and it is about 8-mile-an-hour winds right now. I am so low to the ground right now. Look at this. Look at it. That's half throttle, half throttle, half throttle, half throttle, 8-mile-an-hour wind. This is what I mean, like it takes 3 or 4 flights before I get comfortable with a plane to do this kind of stuff. And I wanted to show you guys this. Off throttle. Now I'm gonna go do a flat spin, okay? So I'm gonna go bring them up. Bring them up higher. Bring them up and out. Up a little bit higher. A little bit low. I'm a little low. Yesterday I was able to do it better because I got up a little bit higher, so. All right, let's do that. Let's go up, 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 up. Ready, and do it. All right, so I'm a little bit nose heavy. Flat spins require you to be on the back of the CG nubs, which is understandable because you want to have a little bit more CG weight back. So for the next battery, I brought 2 1300s with me. I charged them real quick this morning while I was drinking my coffee. And look at this thing. It's so good. And it's so small. It's like, I would say this and the pocket rocket are just always going to be my go-to. They're always going to just be my go-to. I'm going to bring them to the field every time. I hear Cobra. Let's see a Cobra right here. Oh, I didn't let it go because it didn't stop fast enough. I do need to bring the CG back a little bit. I might be on the front of the nubs but a little bit. Ready? Yep. And I also tried something with the 50 where it's kind of a pain to change the control, the push rod location. Oh, you know what? I think we're starting to get a little bit low here. Beautiful landing. What I was saying is the push rod location is hard to change when there's a servo embedded in the servo pocket. So I'm gonna try and maybe dig away at the top of the servo pocket. I'll show you what I mean by that right here. Okay, so you see the servo pocket. You have to get a screwdriver in to get the the servo arm off of the servo, and that is a little bit difficult to do when it's in the plane. So and you can see my holes, I'm on the second higher hole, and I'm usually way lower on the J10, so I should have more control authority than I do in elevator, and I don't. So so I'm gonna see if I can change that for you, and I can get a better CG balance point for the flat spins. But I'm gonna post that video from yesterday when I did a full flat spin and recovery when my son was filming yesterday. So okay, let's do this real quick. I'm gonna try and keep my videos quicker. Okay, let's get one more quick flight in, see if we can get a flat spin. That would be great. Ooh. I got a little bit of something, a little mud or grass or something in the fan. Oh yeah, see, I can feel already that the CG being, ooh, God, this thing is, this battery's healthy. Whew, damn, that is cool. A lot of power. All right. It's just like such a graceful plane. All right, let's go up higher. Higher, 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 higher. Ready? Kick it over the top. Look at that flat spin. Look at it flat spin. Oh my God, I love it so much. Look at it. Let's see how far we can go. Oh yes. Oh my God, I hope you guys saw that. I hope you can see that. It's harder to see this thing because it's so small. Yeah, back of the CG nubs is where you want to be. But look, you could stall yourself out easier. Look, it's tail sliding. It is tail sliding around a little bit. So you have to be very measured on your elevator input, because you just don't want to, you could just stall this thing out. And like the way that I fly it on these low circuits, oh, here comes the wind, of course. All right, let's climb. Let's get a little bit of altitude, and let's do another one. Ready? Let's see. Oh yeah. Look at that freaking flat spin. What an air show. Awesome air show trick. Oh God, that was totally my fault. I recovered it, but then I lost orientation. Now this is gonna be a really cool test to see how much damage we suffered on that one. That was a full elevator back. Oh shit, I don't know what the hell's going on. I lost orientation. I actually came out of the flat spin, but I was in the wrong orientation. I didn't even know where I was. So it looks like the plane is actually okay. Canopy always pops off whenever it has a rough landing, so that's fine. Control surfaces are good. I am good to go. Okay, all right, so look, the plane is totally fine after that landing. There's a little crack on the intake, but nothing that I can't fix. All right, the plane is fine. This is a 50 millimeter that just crashed in lightweight PLA, and we're good to go. Everything functions, control surfaces are good, and that was a lot of fun. So I'm going to shut up now, because hold on, let me just, I can't even turn my GoPro off to end this video. So I'm gonna shut up, and I hope you enjoyed this video of my beautiful animal J10. And it is the animal because you see what happens. It entices you and it wants you to do bad things. So so yeah, this is definitely my new favorite all around, because the 50 millimeter scale, you throw it in the back of the car, you can keep it in there. And hope you enjoyed the video, and I will make another one soon. Thanks.